Daddy, the bubble machine stopped. It stopped.
How do you make it go? Make it go. Let's see it go.
This is gonna turn it on. Look it.
Wow.
Look up here.
Watch, go.
Look
go.
up here.
Way high up, like all the way to the ceiling. Are you doing the bubble dance?
Whoa, that is so neat.
Are you eating the bubbles, silly girl? You're not supposed to eat the bubbles, you pop them.